I'm Leslie Mojeiko. I'm a senior instructional designer with UFIT Center for Instructional Technology and Training. So we were at AI Squared Summit doing a sampling of our themed cooking show, which is a part of our Tech Bite series, where we look at AI prompts as recipes, and we have key ingredients that instructors can pepper into their prompt to get a good result, and that helps us with getting them started and having some fun. We make them approachable, lighthearted and fun, and hopefully in a way to convince people that things like AI are for everyone. The AI prompt cookbook has come out of those Tech Bites, and it's been adopted and adapted by several colleges and universities around the world. They reach out to us and share their adaptations, and it's really fun to see. I might feel like an expert today, but tomorrow I won't be. So there's like some comfort in knowing that you just have to be flexible and adapt and learn, and it's gonna constantly change, so go with the flow. I think I'm also just surprised that AI is really opening up a lot more conversations on what it means to be human. Now we're creating more authentic experiences with something that's artificial. It's weird. I love it.